Want to personalize your Stan streaming experience? Changing your profile photo is easy. First, log into your Stan account via the app or website at stan.com.au. Once logged in, look for the Profile menu, usually represented by an avatar icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Edit Profile or Change Photo from the menu options. You'll then be prompted to upload a photo from your device's gallery, camera, or cloud storage like Google Photos or iCloud. Stan supports JPEG, PNG, and static GIF formats for your profile photos. Remember, your profile photo is only visible to you and other household members on your account. Once you've uploaded your photo, Stan's built-in cropping tool will appear. Use this tool to select a square aspect ratio, which is 1:1 and typical for profile photos. Zoom, rotate, and position the image to your liking. Stan also includes basic filters for brightness and contrast adjustments to help optimize visibility. After you're satisfied, preview your edited photo and save the changes. The updated profile picture will sync across all your devices instantly. Keep in mind Stan has a maximum file size limit of 5 megabytes. You can also use TalkBack on Android for voice-guided cropping.